Morning students, let's learn lesson number 3, pronoun. What is a pronoun? A pronoun is a word used instead of a noun. It is used in place of a noun. So already we know what are the pronouns: he, she, it, they, I, we, you. These are the pronouns. Pronouns are different kinds. So in this lesson we are going to study 9 kinds of pronouns. They are personal pronoun, possessive pronouns, demonstrative pronouns, interrogative pronouns, relative pronouns, reflexive pronoun, emphasizing and empathetic pronouns, indefinite pronoun, and distribute pronoun. Like that, 9 kinds of pronouns we are going to study in this lesson. So first we have to start from the personal pronoun. What is personal pronoun? Personal pronouns stand for persons or things. It include first person pronoun, second person pronoun, and third person pronoun. First person pronouns means a person or persons speaking. Example: I, me, mine, we, us, ours. Second person pronoun means a person or persons spoken to. Example: you and yours. Third person pronouns means the persons or things spoken of other than the above first and second person. Example: he, she, it, they, her, his, their, etc. Look at the table given in your textbook. They have mainly 3 columns: nominative, accusative, and possessive. Nominative means subject pronoun, second one object pronoun, and third one is possessive pronoun. A pronoun can be used singular as well as plural. It has muscular, feminine, common, and neuter gender also. Same like that in noun. Example: he stand for masculine, she stand for feminine, they stand for common, it stand for neuter. And see here what are the first person pronouns. I, me, my, mine, myself, we, us, our, ours, ourselves. These are the first person pronouns. Second person: you, your, yours, yourself. Remaining: they, he, she, it. These are third person pronouns. Look at the table. Here pronouns are classified into 5 groups: subject pronoun, object pronoun, possessive adjective, possessive pronoun, and reflexive pronoun. Here I and we are first person pronoun. I stand for singular and we stand for plural. And object pronoun of I and we are me and us. My is possessive adjectives. mine is possessive pronoun and myself possessive reflexive pronoun. Same like that, we, us object, our possessive adjective, ours possessive pronoun, ourself reflexive pronoun. See the second person pronoun you. You is using singular as well as plural, we know. Object pronoun using same you, possessive adjective your, possessive pronoun yours, and reflexive pronoun yourself. See the table yourself and yourself. Yourself using as singular and yourself using as plural. And remaining he, she, it, they are third person pronouns. Him, he subject pronoun, him object pronoun, his possessive adjective, his both are same possessive pronouns, and himself reflexive pronoun. She subject pronoun, her object pronoun, her possessive adjective, hers possessive pronoun, herself reflexive pronoun. It subject same it using as object pronoun, its possessive adjective, there is no possessive pronouns, and itself reflexive pronoun. Same like that, they, them, their, theirs, themselves. And look at the table in your textbook. Their nominative means subject pronoun, I, we are singular and plural of first person, you singular and plural of second person, he, they singular and plural of muscular third person, she and they feminine of singular plural of third person, it and they, this is singular and plural of third person.